Comte de Sureau, which sounds like a cheese which will make you get your fridge fumigated, or some French racing horse you bet on and lose all your rent money. But it actually translates to, apparently, the Count of Elderflower, just if you didn't pay attention in school in your French lessons. The ingredient lineup. I can actually see a joke form in here. There's an Englishman, a Frenchman, and an Italian, and they walk into a bar. Nah, better not say it, that'll only get me cancelled. But that is the origin of these three ingredients. So we have the gin, I'm going for Beefeater, the ingredient everybody loves, but I don't, St-Germain, and Campari, which I think is often a bit maligned and misunderstood. Let's kick this off by adding 1.5 ounces, that's 45 ml of gin to our mixing glass. Follow this up with 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5 ml of St-Germain or an elderflower liqueur of your choice. Lastly, add 1/2 ounce, that's 7.5 ml of Campari. Add ice to our mixing glass, and I'm going to stir this like 100 glass bottles falling off the back of a truck onto a cobblestone street. History-wise, this drink was created by Comte de Sureau Montero at Lyon in Hamburg in 2007. The good old days before the government and banks gambled everyone's futures and social media infected people's brains. This drink is a riff on the Negroni and there's an elderflower version. Strain into a rocks glass over a big clear ice cube. Garnish with an orange peel. The taste test. It's very floral and botanical with a medicinal finish. It's sweet as well, just to add. I actually reckon the St-Germain works well in this. It's competing with the gin. I am a big Campari fan, but I really like it in small volume in drinks. It keeps it very interesting, but doesn't overpower them. It just really is interesting lurking in the background. I should stop fanboying over that one. It's not a bad drink at all. I'm going to give this 6.8 out of 10.